We know these are trying times for families in Erie County's orange zone. As of Monday, children will be heading back to full remote learning if they aren't there already. 7 Eyewitness News reporter EILEEN Buckley goes in depth tonight to find out how parents are coping and where they can turn for help.
With the exception of summer break, Maya BRUMBAUGH has been sitting at her dining room table for remote learning. She's in the Kenton School District where only younger students were allowed to return for some in-person learning.
And now schools are shut down, so we don't know when our kids will ever see a classroom again.
Jessica BRUMBAUGH says she's upset that the district did not allow her daughter to begin her freshman year at Kenmore West High School in the classroom. The town of Tonawanda mom was so upset with her district's decision, she enrolled her younger son, Aiden, in 7th grade at St. John the Baptist School, where he has had in-person learning 5 days a week.
I put him on the bus on the first day of school, and I was almost crying because I was so happy for him.
But as of Monday, schools in Erie County's orange zone must go remote. Aiden will be joining his sister at home for learning. And many parents are scrambling to find childcare that has help with remote learning. In fact, the owner of this Buffalo daycare says she's been bombarded with requests.
I've been getting more and more calls each and every day, emails asking, do I have room to accept their children so they're able to distance learn.
ANGELIC HOLT is expanding her small daycare off Genesee Street in Buffalo to include up to 6 young school-aged children free of charge to help parents who can't be home during remote learning.
Making sure these kids still have what they need, adequate learning equipment, meals, proper meals, and all of that.
Working moms are facing the brunt of finding the right help for their kids during the pandemic.
And it has repercussions for women and women's careers for generations to come. This is predicted to set women back a generation.
Executive Director of the Western New York Women's Foundation, SHERI SCAVONE, says working moms need to speak up.
Take it off the kitchen table and go in and talk to your boss. Have a conversation. Business owners need to understand, and they are in a dilemma themselves.
It's predicted 1 out of 4 women will leave the workforce because of the pandemic. EILEEN Buckley, 7 Eyewitness News.